Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize VigLink affiliate account in USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your VigLink affiliate account in the USA, visit the VigLink website. Click on the sign up button if you haven't created an account yet. Fill in the required fields to complete the registration process. Verify your email address through the confirmation link you receive. Log in to your VigLink account with your credentials. Navigate to the Account Settings section in your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Payment Settings and click on it. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Make sure to enter your payment details accurately. Next, find the Website section to add your site. Input your website URL and any relevant details about your site. After entering your site information, click on the Add Website button. VigLink will review your site for eligibility. You may receive an email notification once your site has been approved. Once approved, return to the dashboard to access your affiliate links. Browse through the category of products that match your interests. Generate affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Copy the generated links and start sharing them on your website or social media. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly for performance metrics. This will help you to optimize your strategies moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.